I know by now most of you are tired of saying you are not eligible to use Instagram branded content tools. Even if you have not seen it yet, but you are still using Instagram the way you have been using Instagram earlier last year, then you are probably going to see it soon. So if you want to avoid that and you want to start making money on Instagram through Instagram partner monetization or content monetization, then you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to tell you how you can do that. It's El-Yakub here, your favorite digital marketer with the marketing spirit. First of all, what is branded content? Basically, it is when a creator or a publisher posts a content and disclose that he or she has received compensation for that particular post. Also note, branded content is not the same as sponsored advert. They are totally different. One of the advantages of using branded content is that both creator and business have access to insight to see how that post is performing, so that the brand will not be reliant on the creator or influencer 100%. Like I've been saying in my other post, that Instagram are trying to make Instagram safe for both brands and creators. There are situations whereby brands might think that the post they paid an influencer to post for them is not getting them sales. But by them getting access to insight, they can realize that it is not actually the fault of the influencer, but the advert they are posting or the product itself. Maybe that's why people are not buying. But before, they all blame it on the influencer that this person has fake followers and all of that, when in reality is your advert that is not working or your product is not appealing to the target audience. By the way, if you have any problem with your digital marketing or you feel your marketing is not working, just feel free, give me a call or just send me an email and I'll reply to you and we will solve that problem for you. And again, if an influencer has fake followers, you will be able to detect that in the insight. For all those fake influencers, your end time is near. Then again, Instagram is trying to protect viewers from being misled by influencers. Before, any influencer can just recommend a product to his audience, and because of the trust his followers have for him, they end up buying without really checking if the product is really good for them. But now Instagram gives you the ability to know if it is a branded content or not. Now it is mandatory for you to use content branded tools if you're going to mention or recommend any influencer brand product in your post, because if you don't use it, you end up not being eligible for monetization. Now let me teach you how to set up and start using Instagram branded content tools. First of all, it is only available for creator or business account. If you don't see this feature in your account, then you're using a personal account. Then you need to switch up to a business account or a creator account. Go to your Instagram profile, you see these three bars at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, go to settings. If you're a business account, you see this business icon. If you're a creator's account, you see creator written there. So click on it. You now see branded content. Click on branded content. Click on request add creation. Search for any account that you want to tag. When you search on it, then click on send invitation. So now that you're all set up, let me show you how you can use the branded content tools in your post. So all you need to do is just get a picture that you want to post in your feed. Then there's one little button down here that says advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Then when you scroll a little bit down, you see branded content. Then click on tag business partner. Then you now see all those people that you have sent a request to earlier. So you now click on any of them and that's it. You can go ahead and write your caption, do whatever you want to do to your post, then post it. So by the time you post it, it will now indicate that this is a branded content. So again, if you want to use it on your stories, all you have to do is take a picture or grab any picture from your gallery. You see this icon right here, click on it. You now see branded content. Then click on tag business partner, tag those people you have sent the request, your partners, and then that's it. It will now indicate in the story that this is a branded content. So if you have any question regarding setting up your branded content tools, feel free, reach out to me in the comment section, send me an email, just reach out to me and I'll be happy to assist you. Now if you want to start making money through Instagram, just like YouTube, this is all you need to know. Before I continue, I have both good and bad news. But let me start with the good news. Instagram is going to start paying you for your content just like YouTube. But before you are eligible or stay eligible for monetization, you have to post content that you created or have the right to use. There are a lot of things you need to consider if you want to stay eligible. I will drop a link in the description where you can read all the requirements and criteria for you to stay eligible for monetization. Then the bad news. Not everybody will be eligible for monetization because right now it's in the testing stage. Most people that have access to it at the moment are big influencers from the US, UK. But if you know Instagram, we know that in a few months it's going to roll out to more and more people. And before you know it, it's going to reach us. And if you haven't started preparing, you'll be lagging behind when it finally comes here. I just thought to give you guys a heads up so that you guys can start preparing for the Instagram monetization. So if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe.